In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Canva email design into Klaviyo. Start by opening Klaviyo and heading to your dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Content, then choose Templates. This is where all of your email templates live and where we'll bring in your Canva design. Make sure you have your HTML ready from Canva along with any assets your design references like images or CSS files, so everything renders correctly once it's in Klaviyo. We'll begin with the file upload method. Click Import, then select Upload HTML file. Give your template a clear descriptive name so your team can find it later. Next, choose your HTML file. This should be the exported HTML of your Canva email design. If your design uses additional files, such as images, style sheets, or other assets, upload those in the Additional Files section. Keeping file names consistent with what's referenced in your HTML helps Klaviyo link everything correctly. When you're ready, click Import Template. Klaviyo will process the files and create your template. Once it loads, take a moment to scan for layout issues or missing images. If anything looks off, it usually means a file path or asset link needs adjusting. Absolute URLs and properly hosted images are the most reliable for email clients. If you prefer to paste code directly, you can do that as well. Click Import again, then choose Paste HTML. Enter a template name here too, so your library stays organized. In the HTML field, paste the full HTML for your Canva design. Make sure your styles are email friendly. Inline CSS typically delivers the most consistent results across inboxes. Also check that your image sources point to live, accessible URLs. When everything looks good, click Import Template to finalize. Klaviyo will create the template from your code and open it for review. A couple of quick tips as you finalize. Keep your HTML lean and avoid scripts or unsupported embeds since most email clients block them. Use web-safe fonts or hosted font fallbacks. If images don't appear, verify that the files were uploaded in the first method or that the links are correct in the paste method. Finally, give your template a consistent naming convention so you can reuse and iterate on it easily. That's it. You've successfully imported your Canva email design into Klaviyo, either by uploading the HTML file and assets or by pasting the HTML directly. Now you can use this template in your campaigns and flows with confidence.